Namaste friends, welcome back to Tech Zone. In this video, we are going to learn how to use DatePicker in Android app. After this video, you will be able to create this type of DatePicker in your Android project. So let's get started. Before we begin, please make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification on time when we upload new content. First, I am going to change this constraint layout to linear layout, and we will give the orientation as vertical and gravity to center. We will remove this text view. Here you can create the date picker widget like this, but that's not what we want. We want to pop it up like a dialog. For that, I am going to delete this widget and create a text view. Width and height will be wrap content, and we should assign ID to the text view. ID, we will give ID as text. And below I am going to create button. We will give the width as wrap content, height also as wrap content, and we will give ID to it. ID, we will give ID as button, and we will show the text. We will give text as show dialog. Clicking this button will bring up the dialog, and I am gonna show the picked value in the text view. Now we will go to main activity. Here first we are going to initialize our text and the button. So private text view, I am going to call it as text view, and private button, and I will call it as button. Import this class, and I am gonna assign them to their following IDs. Inside onCreate function, text view, find view by ID, r.id.text, button, find view by ID, r.id.button, and now I am gonna call set on click listener on this button dot set on click listener, new view dot on click listener. Here we are not going to add directly logic. Instead, I am going to create a separate method for this. For that, we will go outside and create method right here. Private void open date picker, and date picker dialog, new date picker dialog. This because I am in this activity, and new date picker dialog. And here I am going to pass the year, month, and day. And for that, here pass the year. So I am going to give it as 2024, and month and day. And next, inside on date set, text view dot set text. So here I am going to provide string dot value of year plus and here we will call DatePickerDialog dot show. And now inside onClickListener we will call that function open DatePicker. Now we will run our application and test the code. So as you can see, the project got successfully installed and we have got the show dialog button. When we click on show dialog, we will get this date picker and you can choose date as per your choice. As you can see, we are in February 2024 and I select 14. Click on OK. We have got 14 and for month here you have to change +1 and again run the application. And again open the date picker. We will select 14 again and click on OK. So as you can see, 14 to 2024. So this was all for today's video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.